The Great Barrier Reef, off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system and one of the most complex natural ecosystems. Spanning over 2,300 kilometers, it comprises over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. This underwater world hosts a staggering array of marine life, including thousands of species of fish, corals, and other sea creatures. The reef's vibrant corals are living organisms, part of a symbiotic relationship with algae that provide them with food and their vivid colors.